Welcome to Werks Personal Finance 101. Let's jump right in. First up, the budgeting brawl. Picture your monthly income as a delicious pizza pie. Who doesn't love pizza, right? Now, it's time to slice that pie. Each slice represents a different category of your expenses. You've got a hefty slice for rent or mortgage, a solid piece for groceries, maybe a smaller slice for your non-negotiable guacamole cravings. We've all been there. But remember, it's crucial to carve out a significant piece for your savings too, not just the leftovers. Consider trying the 50-30-20 rule. This means allocating 50% of your income to necessities, like rent and bills, 30% to desires, like that avocado toast, and a whopping 20% to savings and paying off debt. By slicing your income this way, you're setting yourself up for financial success. And just like that, you're an instant budgeting champion. Boom. Speaking of saving, let's talk stashing that cash. Remember, every dollar you put away is like planting a seed for a money tree in your future. It might just be a seed today, but with a little patience, it'll grow into something substantial. And the best part, you don't have to start big. Just like our friend the squirrel, small savings can add up to a hefty stash. Think about this, if you save just a few dollars a day, it gets easier to resist those impulse buys. Maybe it's that fancy latte you're so fond of, or perhaps it's that new gadget you've been eyeing. Challenge yourself to a no-spend weekend, or better yet, a no-spend week. Every penny you save is a step closer to your financial goals. And here's the magic of it all. When you start to see those savings pile up, it feels good. It feels really good. So go ahead, give it a try. You'll be surprised how quickly those savings goals get closer. Now the dreaded D word, debt. It's like being trapped in a dungeon chained to a financial monster. But fear not, brave warriors. We can escape this dungeon and slay this beast. Here's how. First, we must recognize our enemies. High-interest debts like credit cards are the fiercest monsters. They grow quickly and can easily overwhelm us. So we tackle these beasts first, hacking away at them with every payment we can muster. Next, we face the lower interest loans. They're not as scary, but left unchecked, they too can become formidable foes. We can defeat them with a little strategy. Ever heard of snowballing or avalanching payments? They're like magic spells for debt destruction. Use them wisely, and watch your debts shrink. Finally, we must remember the golden rule of the debt dungeon. Every penny paid towards debt is a step towards freedom. So keep stepping, keep fighting, and soon, you'll emerge victorious from the debt dungeon. Remember, every penny towards debt is a step towards financial freedom. Credit, credit, oh credit! It's like a double-edged sword in the financial world. On one side, it can be a powerful tool that opens numerous doors. On the other, it can be a pitfall if not handled wisely. Credit cards, for instance, can be your best friends or worst enemies. Let's think of credit cards as tools for building a financial castle. Each timely payment is like placing a brick, strengthening your fortress. Paying off your balance in full each month avoids interest charges and adds another layer to your castle's walls. Remember, a strong castle isn't built overnight. It requires consistency, discipline, and patience. Having a sturdy financial castle, or in other words, a good credit score, can work wonders. It can help you secure better loan rates, making your home or car dream come true. It can even make your apartment hunt a breeze. Some employers check credit scores too, so it might open job opportunities. Good credit unlocks better loan rates, apartments, and even job opportunities. So, to recap our financial boot camp, budget like a boss and give savings a fighting chance. Save like a squirrel, because every penny counts. Conquer your debt, slay the beast one payment at a time. And finally, build credit wisely, using your credit cards as strategic tools. With these tips, you're well on your way to financial finesse. So get out there, budget warriors, and conquer your financial goals. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial empowerment. We've got your back, one piggy bank at a time.